lunch is ready. This is my lunch now. Nag-imbento. Yay! Gutom na ako. Kaya, kakain muna ako. Isang itlog lang tsaka fried rice. I will take picture.
Take picture, but then you will send me also.
Okay. Push my like that. Bye-bye. I will eat now.
Where is the drink marker?
Take the
Yes, not the
7-Up.
drink.
Nakalimutan yung drinks. Yun. O, diba? Complete na siya. Kompleto na yung food ko.
Take this, please.
Bye-bye. Kakain na ako at nagugutom na ako.
And take pictures.